I need you to steal this box.
What?
I need you to steal this box.
Fine, I'll do it.
How much?
Just don't tell anybody.
You know smoking's bad for you, right?
Okay.
Thanks.